is for airplane. 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 Airplane is for biplane. 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 Plane. C is for cargo plane. Cargo plane. Cargo plane. Cargo plane. D is for drone. Droning. Drone. Drone. E is for emergency helicopter. 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 F is for fighter jet. Fighter jet. Fighter jet. Fighter jet. G is for glider. 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 H is for helicopter. 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 I is for interceptor jet. Interceptor jet. Interceptor jet. Interceptor jet. J is for jet. 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 K is for kite plane. Kite plane. L is for light aircraft. Light aircraft. Light aircraft. Light aircraft. M is for military helicopter. Military helicopter. Military helicopter. Military helicopter. Military helicopter. N is for navy plane. Navy plane. Navy plane. Navy plane. O is for orbiter. 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 P is for paraglider. 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 Q is for quick jet. Quick jet. Quick jet. Quick jet. R is for rescue helicopter. 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 S is for seaplanes. Seaplanes. Seaplane. Seaplane. T is for training jet. Training jet. Training jet. Train jet. U is for ultralight plane. Ultralight plane. Ultralight plane. Ultralight plane. V is for vintage biplane. Vintage biplane. Vintage biplane. Vintage biplane. W is for wing glider. Wing glider. Wing glider. Wing glider. X is for X-plane. X plane. X plane. X plane. Y is for yellow plane. Yellow plane. Yellow plane. Yellow plane. Z is for Zeppelin. 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 From A to Z we've soared today. Air vehicles that fly, glide and float away. Come sing it again, join in with me. Learning with air vehicles is fun, you'll see. From A to Z we've soared today. Air vehicles that fly, glide and float away. Come sing it again, join in with me. Learning with air vehicles is fun, you'll see.